Hi, my name is Nicola Lorandi. I'm an Italian influencer, so I hope my English is good for you. And my YouTube channel and Instagram and social media nickname is Nick00LO. So why I choose FLSUN and what machines I have now? Right now I own 4 FLSUN machines, the S1, S1 Pro, the T1 and the T1 Pro. And they are pretty much the newer models of the FLSUN series. I love them because they are fast, they are easy to use, and they are like cool to watch printing. So what my favorite features on the FLSUN printers? I love on my S1, in particular the S1 Pro series, I love to use all the AI tool and assistant to make my prints look good without touching any settings. So the machines will do the auto calibrations, flow calibrations, AI check to check if my first layer is good, if the print is running good, if the filament is clogged. And that's why I think the FLSUN S1 is the best buy right now in the market. So if you don't want to have any problem with the 3D printers and you want something that works, the FLSUN machines are the right choice. I even use my FLSUN machines to do cosplay. In particular, I 3D printed this like Mandalorian helmet and then painted and coated it to look like this. I hope you like it too. So this is what it looks like before and now. So quality is not something that miss on the FLSUN printers. They are fast, but the quality is really good. Another features that I liked a lot is the new FLSUN World app, so that I can check the prints even if I'm not at home. I can check the camera, I can do time lapses, so I'm always on spot. So they are fast, they are easy to use, they are cool. That's why I choose FLSUN printers.